On Friday afternoon in London, precious metals are again under pressure. The metal's down about 1% today and was pushing at the at 4-week lows at about $1,366 per ounce earlier. The metal's been under pressure all of this week, and indeed it has fallen every single day. The last time this has happened was in November. Physical market seems to be cooling it down a little bit, with some analysts saying that even though premiums are at all-time still at very high levels, there are signs that it's cooling off a little bit, and that the battle between it and the paper sellers may be won by the bears. Looking at other analysts, however, have said, analysts believe that some analysts have said that there may be a chance that the gold may fall to its lowest level, and a test to the April lows of $1,325 per ounce may be on the cards. However, others feel that the metal looks very oversold and that a bounce may be possible. It was, of course, London Platinum Week this week, and most of the industry was present at various of the highbrow. It was, of course, London Platinum Week this week, and the industry would have sighed a sigh of relief after 2 strikes at major producer South Africa came to nothing. First of all, London was hit early in the week. However, the strike at its Marikana operations quickly came to a close. This was then followed by a sit-in at Anglo American Platinum's productions in northern South Africa. 70 workers took part, but they've all now returned to the surface, and no production was lost. Interestingly, the platinum-palladium ratio fell to its lowest level on fast markets charts, with just 2 ounces of palladium buying 1 ounce of platinum. Looking forward to next week, US unemployment figures on Thursday will of course be the focus, but there's also numbers out from China, including manufacturing PMI numbers. This is Eddie van der Walt, signing off from the floor of the London Metals Exchange. On Friday afternoon in London, precious metals have again been under pressure, with the metal falling to a 4-week low at $1,366 per ounce. So far, it's down about 1% today and 5% this week. In fact, the metal closed down every single day so far this week, and the last time this has happened was back in November. It looks as if physical demand seems to be cooling a little bit, even though premiums are still at pretty high levels. Analysts have said that the metal may be on for a test at the April lows of $13.25. However, others believe that there's a possibility that it may bounce as it looks particularly oversold. It is, of course, Platinum Week in London this week, and much of the industry would have sighed a sigh of relief after 2 strikes came to virtually nothing. First of all, London's Marikana operations were once again hit, but this quickly came to a close and work has restarted there. This was then followed by a small sit-in at one of Anglo American Platinum's operations. However, this has also been resolved and no platinum ounces were lost there. The platinum-palladium ratio, interestingly, fell to its lowest level on fast markets charts, with 2 ounces of palladium trading for the same price as 1 ounce of platinum earlier this week. Looking forward to next week, there's a few things that may move prices, including the weekly unemployment claims in the US, which is out on Thursday, and of course some numbers out from China. This is Eddie van der Walt, signing off from the floor of the LME.